Welcome to step 8 of the hamburger method. This is where we start to play with some of the neuro stuff and we start to delve into the sensory side of your nervous system with visualizations where you get to direct your own mental movie. And why is this fabulous? Because your brain doesn't know the difference between real and vividly imagined experiences. So this is where we can start to leverage this superpower. Oh, it's exciting. So when do we do this? After you've set the boundaries, you're protecting your peace. And your time and your energy. So how do you do it? So pick a memory where you felt like you were on the top of the world, you felt like a rock star, or you felt your most sexiest, or a memory where you just felt the most amazing experience ever. And work out what did it feel like? What did it sound like? What did it smell like? What did it taste like? How did the flooring feel underneath your feet? Was the sun shining? Were the lights on? Were the air conditioning blowing in your hair or on your face? Go through all of those sensory information and re-feel that again and really sit with that information, sensory information from your body, and just bask in it like it's happening right now. Because it is happening right now in your experience. You can do this for anything. You can do this for confidence. You can do this for movement. You can do this for public speaking. You can do this for body acceptance. You can do this for anything, which is just phenomenal. It truly is. There is a branch of rehab where they start using photos of different limbs and stuff like that to help you rehab your limb, and you're actually looking at other people's hands or feet or body parts, and it's super cool at helping rewire it because you actually it's leveraging that sort of stuff as well. Phenomenal experience. So pick that memory, go through all of the sensory information, and really experience it like you're experiencing it right now again. If you've got an experience that you've never tried before, but you want to build yourself up to doing it, pick an experience that you've already had that is similar but not the same. So then you can graft that onto imagining that mental movie, that visualization, where you can start to fill in those missing bits as well. And that's how we create those mental movies. Visualizations, they are so powerful. Listen to what you're saying to yourself when you're watching this movie. That will tell you where the hidden things are that you need to unpick as well, which is a bit of area of growth, those will be the barriers that you're doing the self-sabotage with as well. So listen to what you're saying, experience the experience, and just generally play with this. It's a phenomenal tool. It truly is. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video in step 9. See you soon.